XRP Ripple. April, massive date for XRP. What's next? XRP price prediction. Breaking XRP news. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss why Ripple has a high chance of winning this court case and why XRP is still one of the greatest assets to have today. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. Ripple XRP has faced a legal challenge from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in recent months, but remains popular on the international crypto markets and has gained around 150% since the start of the year. With various cryptocurrencies rallying strongly and expectations of further upside, are you considering with altcoins to buy? Is XRP a good investment in spring 2021? In September 2012, investor Chris Larsen and computer programmer and entrepreneur Jed McCaleb co-founded OpenCoin to develop the Ripple protocol for real-time cross-border payment settlement for enterprises. OpenCoin was renamed Ripple in 2013. One of the earlier altcoins, XRP, is the coin that runs on the Ripple open source payments protocol. At the time of writing, on April 1st, 2021, XRP is the 7th largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $26 billion. There are around 45.4 billion XRP in circulation, 45% of the maximum 100 billion supply. Ripple touts XRP is a cheaper alternative to Bitcoin, BTC, that settles transactions in seconds, rather than running on a decentralized blockchain infrastructure that uses the proof-of-work algorithm to process transactions. XRP uses a centralized committee of validators that maintains the transaction ledger. While Bitcoin is being mined gradually until it reaches its cap of 21 million coins, all 100 billion XRP were mined ahead of the network launch and are intermittently sold on the open market. RippleNet is a network of banks, payment providers, and other financial institutions that uses a single application programming interface, API, to efficiently send and receive payments globally, even if the institutions do not use XRP. The network also offers On-Demand Liquidity, ODL, which uses XRP as a liquidity source to remove the need to pre-fund accounts for cross-border transactions. Investors in Ripple include Accenture, Andreesen Horowitz, CME Group, Google Ventures, and Santander InnoVentures. The XRP price reached an all-time high of 3.84 against the dollar in January 2018, at the top of the cryptocurrency rally, having traded around 25 cents the previous November. The price quickly retreated and had fallen back below 30 cents by the summer, largely trading in a 20 to 40 cent range until November 2020. After reaching 70 cents at the end of November, the XRP price plunged to 20 cents in December. The U.S. SEC filed legal action against Ripple and two of its executives, alleging that sales of 1.3 billion of XRP to retail investors violated regulations governing public offerings of securities. The SEC has taken the view that XRP is a digital asset or security rather than a cryptocurrency. Stephanie Avakian, director of the SEC's Enforcement Division, said that Ripple executives failed to register their ongoing offer and sale of billions of XRP to retail investors, which deprived potential purchasers of adequate disclosures about XRP and Ripple's business and other important long-standing protections that are fundamental to our robust public market system. Ripple responded that it has never offered or sold XRP as an investment. XRP holders do not acquire any claim to the assets of Ripple. hold any ownership interest in Ripple or have any entitlement to share in Ripple's future profits. The company added, Ripple never had an ICO, initial coin offering, never offered or contracted to sell future tokens as a way to raise money to build an ecosystem, never explicitly or implicitly promised profits to any XRP holder, and has no relationship at all with the vast majority of XRP holders today, nearly all of whom purchase XRP from third parties on the open market. Cryptocurrency exchanges based in the U.S., including Coinbase, restricted dealing in XRP to limit only sales in December, and in January suspended trading on the coin completely. That prompted holders to sell off the coin, dragging down its price. Since the beginning of March, the market has not shown any clear direction, but has been a battle between bulls and bears. There are a few isolated massive buy or sell volumes indicating that price has no clear direction yet. The daily chart for XRP is showing an interesting pattern though. However, on March 29th, a court order granted a group of XRP holders the right to file a motion to intervene in the case against Ripple by April 19th. The holders blamed the SEC's case for causing them to lose money when the XRP price plunged in December. Regardless of the recent turmoil with the SEC, the XRP price has been moving higher as Ripple continues to operate and expand internationally. The majority of its customers are outside of the US, as well as the overall XRP traded volume. The price has also been carried along with the border cryptocurrency rally, more than doubling from 22 cents at the start of the year to trading between 55 and 58 cents at the end of March. Following the bad performance in early 2021, the price has recovered, and the golden cross occurred in February. This has been sustained up to this moment with the 50 MA safely above the 200 MA. This indicates a generally bullish long-term trend that should make XRP quite attractive to buyers now. The asset may be experiencing a sell-off soon, although it is almost overpriced. The RSI, which is currently at over 60, indicates that it is approaching an overbought condition and could be getting ready for a pullback. This happens as traders and investors sell their holdings to take some profit. If you are trading XRP, the following are key support and resistance levels you should keep in mind when trading, according to Wallet Investor. Resistance level R3 0.590, resistance level R2 0.568, resistance level R1 0.544, pivot point 0.522, support level S1 0.498, support level S2 0.476, support level S3 0.451. The battle between Ripple and the SEC is still ongoing, with the Ripple team insisting that XRP is not a security. In a recent response filed by Ripple's attorneys, the company requested that the case be dismissed, as no part of XRP's sales suggested that it was bought as a security or an investment. Although the SEC has stood its ground, the pressure still seems to be mounting. A group of XRP buyers led by an attorney, John Deaton, has also filed a petition asking the SEC to exempt XRP from the case, as they did not buy it as a security. The group of XRP investors argues that no part of their investment contract suggests that the asset was bought as a security or an investment. Meanwhile, despite the ongoing case, XRP is looking good on the market and making good progress even against Bitcoin. The top cryptocurrency has dived while XRP continues to move up bit by bit. If you're thinking of investing in XRP, you may be curious about what the future holds for the market. Well, below are opinions on what to expect for the market in April 2021 for XRP. Long forecast. Long forecast is quite bullish on XRP in April. According to the XRP price prediction, the price should reach 61 cents at the beginning of April. Moreover, they foresee that XRP will have a maximum of 65 cents and a minimum of 42 cents. The average price for the month is 53 cents and the closing price for the month is 61 cents. Trading beasts. According to the Trading Beast, XRP will have a bright future in the coming months. The XRP price prediction places the opening price for April at 0.62088828. The maximum price for the month is 0.77849112, while the lowest expected price is 0.52937440. The closing price at the end of the month is predicted to be 0.62279930. Previsiony Bitcoin. This website is also optimistic about XRP in April. According to their XRP price prediction, it will reach an average of 77 cents. This will be driven mainly by more investors buying and a growing market cap, which will translate into the price. Digital coin price. Digital coin price is also quite bullish concerning XRP performance. The website expects XRP to gain 35.77% in April. According to the XRP price prediction, this will take the price to an average of 0.719782226 for the month. When will Ripple go up? Technical analysis of the XRP chart shows there is short-term resistance in 60 to 65 cent range on the way to 83 cents, with support at the 45 cent level. For a long-term XRP forecast, Digital Coin predicts the price will average 88 cents in 2021, reaching the $1 level in 2022 and averaging $2.06 in 2026. It could drop back to $1.78 in 2027, but rebound to reach $2.69 in 2028. That would suggest the coin will largely remain below its record high above $3. Online forecasting service Wallet Investor projects the XRP price will trade down in the short term from 60 cents in May and June to 52 cents in August, but climb from 58 cents to 84 cents in December. Its long-term Ripple price prediction has the coin trading at 88 cents in December 2022 and 98 cents by December 2025. Coinpedia has a Ripple price forecast of $1.20 by the end of 2021, with a bullish case of $2, as it is expected to expand into more countries this year and double its business inflows from $2 million. Will Ripple go up like Bitcoin in the future? Ripple is competing with a growing list of altcoins in the race to be the next Bitcoin. While the price is likely to rise, the extent of the gains will depend in part on whether investors favor other cryptos instead. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.